You just glue on the side, sew around it, and then, you know, have it open to put stuff in there. Okay, I like that. I'm going to use the same paper clip, and I'm going to put that in there. So now we have a pocket here. So I guess I'm going to put an image here. So then we need a pocket on this end. So we got, let me get some more paper. I can't think of any other pocket that I had made on the other book. So, I'm thinking even of making one like this, but the opposite side on this side. Yeah. I'm going to do that. So, see, where did I do the fold? Yeah, I will, off camera, I will fold these good. But even if they're not good, it's still gonna look good because we're going for grungy, you know, we're going for vintage. Vintage is not, you know, perfect. Okay, I want to make sure they match. So this one goes here. Okay, supposed to be this way. This one will go here. That shit is too high. So there. Those are going to be my pockets. So those will close like that. And there's your booklet. So we're all done and ready. See, and it's not too bad. But that's our little prep to getting the little book together. Oh man. Oh no, was it? No, it was 38. It already went to a second video. Darn it. Should have done it faster. But anyways, so this is how you put it together. So now our next video, it's going to be doing the cover, the background, before we add our pockets to the book. So look around on your stash and see what you guys want to do. I am going to add some paper to some of the pages like I did on the other one. I'm just not sure what exactly yet. So on my next video, I'm going to try to get all that ready. And, yeah, get your ephemera ready, whatever you want to use, too. I'll be using Tsunami Rose. I'll be using the Old Design Shop. I'll be using a lot of their stuff because I love their ephemera. And maybe some others. Images, I'll probably use them from, what is it? Geeko Gals, I think I'm pronouncing. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. If I'm not, I apologize to the shop owner. But I'm probably going to use some of her images. So anyways, I will see you guys on the next video. So be ready with your paper that you're thinking of using. Get your ephemera. Get your glue ready, your distressing, and your images, whatever images you want to use. What else? And then just get some extra pieces of book pages in case, more likely we will do some collaging on some of the pages. What else do I think you need? Oh, well, lace, definitely. So, okay, guys, I guess that's it for today. I will see you guys on my next coming video to decorating this baby and getting it done. For now, you guys have an amazing rest of the evening, because it's late here. It's already 6:30. Well, it's not that late. But, yeah, I'm hungry. I need to go find me something to eat. So you guys take care. I'll see you in my next video, okay? God bless. Bye-bye.